Very nice, your baby.
Yes.
With the, Kalungo.
Philippines. I live in Binalbagan.
Oh, in Binalbagan.
Binalbagan.
Okay.
And I'm Abby, Inday Abby, naka-vlogger of Binalbagan.
Okay, cool.
Yes. What's your name?
Mike.
Mike? Where you're from?
I am from the U.S.
Do you want to vlog? Do you want to vlog, Meng? Para makita ka sa, It's okay for you, I vlog you.
Of course.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
I'm Abby. I'm 18 years old and I'm pregnant now. 20 weeks.
Wow.
Wow. Nice to greet you.
Is that your husband?
Yes, that's my husband.
What's his name?
She's ugly? She's ugly or not?
No, he's handsome.
So, she's
Foggy.
Foggy! She's foggy.
Foggy.
Yes. Now,
Foggy.
he's your
Ako.
foggy. Foggy ikaw.
Foggy ako.
Maganda ako. Ako rin, maganda ako. Maganda, I'm a beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Nah, she's not beautiful because she's ugly.
No.
She's handsome?
No, he's handsome.
Thank
Foggy.
you so much.
Foggy.
Nice to see you.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
Very nice, your baby.
Yes. Baby, happy to see you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for salamat kay isugot ka vlog sa amin logo. Grabe sa hindi ka
I bless your baby.
Thank you so
I
much.
bless your baby.
Yeah, thank you.
Very many years.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, very
God bless you too.
Yeah.
He's your
My wife.
This is your wife.
This is my everything.
No, this is your everything.
Everything.
And this is my
This one right here.
Yes. And this is my everything. My ugly husband.
Ano lang?
Yes.
Ano lang ko, sa Kylie lang.
So guys,
I'm gonna kung saan na commercial lang ako.
and I'm so happy to speak with you.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
So I'm so sorry because I don't. I'm so sorry because I have no. Hindi ko
Speaking English.
Yes, I have to speak English.
No problem. That's why I tell you no
nose bleeding.
No nosebleed.
Thank you so much.
I understand.
Thank
I
you.
understand.
Thank you.
Yeah.
With the, Kalungo.
Kalong. In short of Kalonggo.
Short for Kalonggo.
My name is Boy Sunny.
Boy Sunny.
Boy Sunny.
Wait, son.
Boy
Dad?
Sunny.
Daddy?
Boy Sunny with do.
I'm a local vlogger.
I'm local vlogger for
Binalbagan.
yes,
Yes.
Binalbagan.
Municipality.
So ngayon.
Banat?
Hindi.
Okay.
Galuding ko.
Nice to see you na lang. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
God bless. God bless.
Yeah.
Thank you.
First time ko kita.
Sige.
So,
Di ba?
diba? Ano mahambal mo kay first
So, sa
time?
buong first time ko, happy ko kay first time ko nakamit sa
Kano.
kano.
Daddy?
Kano nga gwapo-gwapo. Tisoy. No?
Handsome.
Yes.
Guwapo means handsome.
Yeah.
Pogi ako.
Foggy.
Yeah, pogi.
Pogi.
Yes. So,
Thank you.
Guwapo means pogi ako.
Yeah.
Pogi
In
ako.
English, you're handsome.
Diba?
Thank you.
So, mga idol, kari kami sa may ano, sabi may invite kami natin nga makita kami ito, gano'n. Asang bigay po sikat sa akon, di ba?
Some supporters.
Sikat sa mga supporters, kag sinipay ko may supporters kami nga kano, di ba? Perfect. Kasi
Damo kami ng mga supporters na OFW Pro.
First time
naman nakamit sa Amerika.
American.
Yes.
Okay.
First time.
Okay.
So, happy kami kay na-meet ka ginawa.
Okay.
Okay. I'm sorry kung you're not.
Diba? First time.
That's first time, yeah. Nice to see you.
Kaya siyempre, sa una,